Hey guys, I just got my vaccine from Pfizer, and that's the first dose of two. Now, the vaccine I think is going to have a big effect on stocks. I think some of these restaurant stocks are going to come back. Maybe even some of the theater stocks may come back next year as well. A lot of people are getting used to being at home just watching Netflix, but eventually I think people will want to go back out and venture into the theaters again and watch some movies there. But it may be late in the year, so you might still be able to get great stock prices at this point. I do want to talk a little bit about selling calls because that seems like a very good way to make money at this point. It's safe money, just like selling puts is pretty safe. Selling calls is about as safe, I think. Now, I'm not an expert, but I'm learning as I go along here, and I just want to talk to you about what we're doing as far as selling calls as well. So there are certain stocks that I want to buy more. You need 100 stocks at least. If you're going to sell a call, you want to have 100 shares of that one stock that you can sell an option on. So let's go to one particular stock. Let's say you have Apple, and Apple right now is at 127.28. And say you have 100 shares of Apple at this time. So we're going to press trade options, and let's go just 1 week out, December 24th. And we're going to sell and press call, sell a call. Now, if say your price was what you bought it at today, you bought it at 127.28 and you have 100 shares at that price, then say I want to sell it at 129 or 130. So you press the 130 call, you're going to get $82 just to tell somebody that you want to sell it at 130. So if these sell, you'll get $82, and your break-even price would be 130.82. Of course, you're already making a profit because you bought them at 127.28. So you can sell them there. Now, within that week, if it does not reach 130 or 130 and 82 cents, then you're just going to keep that $82 and go back and then sell them again for the following week again. So keep making profit on your shares without actually selling your shares. Now, the good thing is that there is a wide variety of stocks that you can trade options on. You just have to look at them, see if you think that that's the right stock for you. If you don't mind owning that stock, then you can, even if you can have 100 shares of that stock, then you can start selling a call and start making profit off of just owning shares. It's like rent. It's perfect, right? So if you can do that, I think that would be great. At the same time, I'm still working on selling my puts because that's a good way to do it, because there's a lot of stocks out there that I would want to have, so that if I end up buying those shares anyway, then I'm actually going to sell some calls on those as well. So I just briefly wanted to touch on that today as far as selling calls. I'm still selling puts. I want to sell some calls now as well, so that we have a good variety of that, so that every week, every month, we have some income coming in and building up that wealth so that we can keep on investing and making more. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Take care.